Hi and welcome back to another tutorial about the use of Classin. So this time I'm going to be teaching you how to log in to your Classin account without the need to log in and enter the class or launch the Classin via or the Classin app via the LMS. So let me just show you first that I have created some classes already here in one of my subjects. So I have already created some class or sessions in Classin. Let me show you. So it's under midterm, and here I have the midterm session. So if you notice, I only have one class in or external tool here. Let me just go back. Okay, so it's under my midterm session. Now, here's the content of the midterm section of the class or of the course. Now, as you can see, I only have one external tool here, midterm sessions. I don't need to flood the course page of too many external tools or class in external tools. I only need one, okay? You can do the same, no? I noticed that there are some teachers who have made or created a lot of external tools on their course page. You can only create one, you only need one, and from there, you can add classes or sessions, as many as you could. Now, as you can notice, I have created three sessions all for this week and they are of different days. Like, for example, this one, HTML intro, that's for tomorrow, September 29. Then the next session will be for Thursday, and the last will be for Friday. And right here, you can see for enter lesson, not start, because these are not for today. These are for future class schedules. Like this one is for tomorrow. Okay. Um, what I'm gonna be teaching you today is we don't need to enter via the LMS page. That way, our entry will be a lot easier. We will be eliminating the problems of class in not loading immediately or class in not responding because what the LMS will do is it will still call the app. So Classin will open from the LMS app. So there's no need for that here anymore because just recently we were given the login credentials. So we can just enter via login and create classes here in the LMS. Okay. For demonstration purposes, I can show you. So we will now log in to Classin. Remember, my classes are not scheduled for today, so I cannot enter via the LMS yet, which I can do if the class is it's time for my class. So again, what I'm demonstrating now is that we can log in to class in even without connecting via the LMS. And so let's log in to class in using the credential that was sent to us via the LMS. Right now, I'm going to open Classin, the Classin app. Okay, so initially this was not set to uh, this one. Okay, now we will log into the Classin app using the credential that was given to us, provided to us via the Open LMS. So I'm going to open the Classin app. Okay, if you have not logged in Classin ever since the time you installed it, so it would most likely look like this. Or probably it's plus 86 here. That's for China area code, country code. So if you have not logged in to class in yet, or perhaps you did, you must have to log out of the class in account that is currently running in your class in app. So this one has not been logged in. What I will do now is I will log into Classin using the account that was provided to us by via the OpenLMS. So this is my phone number, and that is an account given to us by the Classin company itself. So it must start with plus 86. That's the country code for China. Okay, let's find it. So there, China plus 86, and I will just encode the number here, my credentials, and then encode your password as well. Now, do not forget to click on remember password and remember auto log in, okay? So that every time you open Classin, what will be here, or the account that will be automatically logged in, is this one. There's no need for you to encode it again. Okay, and let's click login. Okay, so here's my Classin page. Okay, and here are the schedules that which I have already created. For 5165, I have created a session for tomorrow. That's 9:29. So I have 19 hours to my class. And for this class, I have 20 hours before it starts. Okay, and this one, I have 22 hours before the class will start. Okay, and here we can already upload files. We can already upload our lesson materials because you are already logged into your Classin account that you are using for your classes. This is the same account that loads when you connect via the LMS. Again, we don't need to enter the class anymore via the OpenLMS because it's here already. Okay? Say I will create a class in one of my subjects, and that's for 4 o'clock this afternoon. Say in this class. So I have a class this afternoon. I will meet with my students at 4 o'clock today. So it's under midterm. The Classin tool or external tool I created for this class is right under this one, midterm sessions. Okay, so I'm going to create a class for 4 o'clock today. So the topic is HTML tags, and that's for today. So I don't need to change that. This one is at 4 o'clock, so I will have to change it. And remember, your time, class in time, should synchronize with your time, your computer time, because if not, you will have problems logging into your class, especially if your time zone is different from the time zone of the Philippines. So this is a 1 hour class. I just need to click on cloud recording, live broadcast for my students who will not be able to connect or enter Classin, and web page replay. We need to click on this one so that for those students who are not able to attend the class, they can still view the class after it's done. Okay, so I will add that lesson, and this one is for today. Okay, so not start because I still have an hour, less than 2 hours to enter. But I can already see this class in my Classin account. Okay, let's just switch to Classin. And there, as you can see, I have an hour and 24 minutes before I can log into the class. So automatically, Classin updates. Again, from here, you can already upload files. Say, I will upload a file for my class tomorrow, 1 o'clock class tomorrow. Okay, so if I will have to upload a file, all I have to do is to go to the drive and I will see the folders that I have created. So this time I'm going to upload the file via this folder, Software Engineering 2. Okay, to upload, you just click on upload here, this part, and locate your file. So if I will, this will be our topic for tomorrow, so I'm going to upload this. Now, as you can see, while I'm uploading the file, we have a notification here that the class will start at 4 o'clock. So I have two files there already. Then, therefore, we can already prepare ahead of time if we want to upload files ahead of time. There's no need for us to create a temporary class in OpenLMS because we can just create schedules and log into our Classin account and then we can upload files here.